In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out hair in Photoshop easily. This technique can be a real game changer for your photo editing projects, especially if you've struggled with managing intricate details like hair strands. So grab your digital toolkit and let's dive into the world of Adobe Photoshop. First, we need to ensure you've opened Photoshop on your device. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and do so. Once Photoshop is up and running, it's time to add the image you want to work with. To do this, simply open your file by going to File in the menu bar, selecting Open, and navigating to the location of your image. Once selected, click Open again, and your image should appear on the workspace. Now, we're going to focus on the hair section of your image. You want to isolate the hair from the rest of the image for this process, and for that, we'll be making a selection. In Photoshop, you have a variety of tools at your disposal for selection. One of the most popular choices for detailed work like this is the Quick Selection tool or Magic Wand tool. By dragging your cursor over the area of the hair you want to select, Photoshop will start to intelligently recognize the boundaries. Don't worry if it's not perfect on your first attempt. You can refine and adjust your selection area as needed. Once your selection is in place, it's time for the magic. You will want to click on Edit in the menu bar and select Fill from the drop-down menu. This is where Photoshop's powerful Content-Aware Fill feature comes into play. Content-Aware Fill is ideal for generating a fill object that replaces the background or unwanted elements while maintaining the texture and lighting of the surrounding area. When you select Fill, a dialog box will appear, and you'll want to make sure that Content Aware is chosen from the options. Go ahead and click OK, and watch as the selected area transforms before your eyes. This simple method leverages the advanced features of Photoshop to make detailed and complicated image editing processes, like cutting out hair, more straightforward and efficient for everyone, from beginners to professionals. While this offers a quick and efficient method, the key is always practice and experimentation to refine your technique further. There you have it, a streamlined and effective approach to cutting out hair in Photoshop. With practice, you'll be able to master this skill and apply it to various projects, enhancing your editing capabilities and allowing your creativity to flow seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.